fuck with rockin', man, for sure, for sure.
So it's not nice.
Niggas talking on the net like pop out where you at, ayy. All we know is pop out with our guns, we from the rack, ayy. Pop out, catch that nigga, try to run, we wet his back, ayy. All you cocky, turned you to a dolphin cause you crack tread. Bitch! Even though he handsome, he'll blam some. Who you talking about? Bitch, I'm talking about grandson. Fuck them, took them bullets, we put switches on them handguns. Fuck them, got caught shooting on the camera, put your mask on.
I get that collie at the box, I'm tryna kill him. That bitch gon' tell me all the info, I'ma milk him. To them you super tough, to us you just a bitch. You just a bitch. My bitch be mad, I come in late, bitch I was drilling. The odds be tough when they get shot, they in they feelings. Don't take too long, I get that call, I'm there in minutes.
I be riding with my gun and I'm a felon. Since you cocky with your head, we crack your melon. I put my trust inside my brother, but he was telling. It's deeper than rap, but if I catch him, I'ma know. Where he stay, he think he safe, but we know where he stay. Ay, on the land, we do it for more, on the O, we do it for big A. Get back mode, what you off? Tic-tac-toe, what you thought? He KO, think we soft. Catch his ass and tear him off.
See, back in school, I was a fool of real stuff. You better dip if you get hit, they cannot help. They trying their best, they running like she wanna melt. A nice pic on their shirt, that's what they better do. Said my alarm is trying to kill cause we on schedule. I can't speak on what we doing, that shit federal. You thought that you caught me lacking, I'm ahead of you. You tryna rap and you get cute, they gon' be mad at you.
Oh yeah, I'm finna make a banger with this one. Huh? What? Now here it go, I just made it home. Missed calls on my phone, see I been gone. Was trying to hit a lick, but that shit just went wrong. I got a thought, she right off the block. Her crib be the spot and we got Glocks. Tucked all in her shit, don't come in unless you knock. But this bitch Grammy, told her about this nigga. Help me set him up and she was with it. She just want some shoes and she ain't get no fuck. So we do that, I was at his neck. Creeping from the back, but saw the ops and had to let him have it. How fucked up is that, but what that bitch? She ain't called me yet. We did that at 6 and who got hit? I know someone check cause Keembon, he don't miss. Now 2 weeks past, I'm back on my grind. I can't waste no time, now I spit quiet. They be whooping though, but them niggas not sliding. And I been high, I can't even lie that I been on my mind. Why she ain't called? I ain't seen her ass, I hope that she alright. Now it's midnight, I'm hitting some blocks. Just me and my Glock came to a stop. I'm at a red light, I usually don't stop. My phone keep ringing, just a hoe of course. This bitch probably bored, I press ignore. I ain't got no time, a whore gon' be a whore. Now I get that feeling, something ain't right. I look to my right and I'm like, damn, there go that flexing nigga. He waving his pipe, he get the dump. Bullets get the coming, my heart get the dumping. I feel something, my left shoulder hot. Blood just get the gushing. I'm like, shit, ain't this about a bitch? And he with that bitch, I got a glimpse. She got them big lips that's made for sucking dick. Now it makes sense. That hoe set me up, that little dirty slut, the double cross. Trying to get me caught like I'm Randy Moss. Aw, shit, I just dropped my gun. Plus I got one arm, I'm trying to drive. I can't shoot back now. This man know